The ADA compliance course is predicated on preventing litigation. So the course was designed so that a website owner can take this course and give this course to their web team and start finding accessibility issues and fixing those issues, and the accessibility issues being the most commonly claimed in litigation. But what is also happening, you're not only significantly reducing your risk of litigation, what is also happening is your web team is being trained in web accessibility. And so they are going to pick up the importance of these issues and these considerations, and then also start incorporating them in future updates to your website. So whether your team is uploading content to the blog, or making a redesign, or just updating a section of the website, your team is going to have training in website accessibility. And why this is so important is that accessibility is not a constant, it's not an ongoing side issue that you have to take care of. Rather, it becomes a part of your team's knowledge and process. And that's so important because it saves time, money, and energy, because your team is taking care of accessibility as they work, as they are coding, or as they are creating content. They're not having to go back later and remediate those issues, because the team is producing accessible code and accessible content as a part of what they do. And so this training is extremely important, and it's just one of the ways that this course is so impactful, is because not only are you going to reduce your risk of litigation now, you're going to reduce your risk of litigation in the future, and you're also going to save so much time, money, and energy in not having to do this over and over again, because you are training your team to become proficient in accessibility as they go through the course.